Kasor kadra lang baga mang tengka ka basis pa kanai klor bansna pan bahabat pan biang pan bit eksis pa kanai puti kilin skol ha kaleng jalal leng ba ka mang pisa jong sunem sa arjar arway arjar arwar ya kanila pentep do menteri badai kemi yak tra puli dang li kasor kadra ba la ka ben boy haba juba ba ka kenta kali jing kali ha ka singi ban riu jong dor ba sanrai jong yin do ba tuai ka jala ka kanyo tri unai lor arjar arway ba la kali do nang thawai ka kongres na mos ram ba hm sang pliang.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question 161A. Sir, no common LP schools and common aided schools under Mausram block which have been sanctioned for repairing of schools building. B. Sir, no common LP school that has been provided with furniture during the year 2018 till date. C. Sir, two common LP school under Mausram block has been approved from 2018 till date for construction of new school building under the state scheme.
Yes, my Imam.
So, Honorable Speaker, now this answer is so negative, sir. A is negative, B is negative, C is partially positive. So this just shows the attitude of the government, the education department towards the schools in the rural areas. I'm projecting this picture not just for Mawsynram constituency alone. This picture is for all the rural schools in the state, sir. I'm aware, sir, because I have been traveling through the length and breadth of the state, and I know, sir, that the conditions of the rural schools, particularly the government LP schools and the upper primary schools or the government aided schools, are in this condition, sir. Sir, in my constituency, I wish I could have brought the pictures of all the school buildings, which few of them I have forwarded to the Principal Additional Chief Secretary in charge education. So since the last 2018, I've been asking for repairs. So not a single money has been provided. May I ask the reason why, sir?
We have sanctioned additional classroom in Plangwan Roy Government LP School at an estimated amount of 8,20,000. We have sanctioned additional classroom for Lalpani Government LP School at an estimated amount of 10 lakhs. And this year, two government schools will be constructed under the state scheme in Mawsynram block, sir.
So I'd like to thank for that information, but that is under the ADB, sir. The Plangwan Roy, sir, is under the ADB.
He is wrong, sir. Please, he is wrong, sir. My reply is right. I don't know, I think he does not know where is Plangwan Roy Government LP School. That's why he tell like that, sir.
Oh, sorry. I know the Plangwan Roy is one school that they got for under ADB. And this LP school that they have mentioned is, the 10 lakhs is from the state scheme. That I understand, sir. But now, sir, the condition of the schools in the border. Sir, the schools in the upper land are much more managed by the managing committee. But the schools in the borders, because the managing committees are very poor, sir, the living condition is so poor. I think the Honorable Chief Minister has traveled through the length and breadth of the border areas of Mawsynram constituency. He understands how poverty is in that area. Sir, my only request to the government is, I'm not here to debate why have you not given, when will you give, but do consider the list that have been provided to the department. I have written several DO letters to the Additional Chief Secretary of the Education Department for the repairs and providing school teachers and also providing school furnitures. Till date, sir, everything is so silent. May I know why, sir?
This government is the first government which have looked into the interest of the government LP school all over the state. Sir, only this year, 191 government LP school will be taken up all over the state. Government UP school, 4 numbers, and government UP with LP, 3 numbers, and government higher secondary and higher secondary school 10 numbers, which an estimated amount of 109 crore 33 lakh 71,210. So this is the first government we really look into that, and this school will not only provide with school building, it will provide also with the basic furniture for the benefit of the student and the teacher community. This is the first step, and this will be not the last. So we will try to improve whatever we can, sir.
Sir, under what scheme is this doing, sir?
So it is a scheme of the government.
Is it the central scheme or the state scheme, sir?
It is a state scheme, sir.
So in that case, sir, may I know the last question, sir? May I know whether out of those 191 schools that the government has listed, how many schools under the Mausaram constituency fall in that list?
Under Mausaram Block 2, sir.
May I know from the containing the question is for the Mausaram, but I just want to know from the Minister in charge that whole of Garrus, the whole of Meghalaya facing such kinds of problem that even in my constituency alone, more than 16 numbers of LP school and UP school has been dilapidated. That means that literally that is the government planning to do something for the entire Garrus or even outskirts, as well as for the general public? May I know?
That is out of the.
So, for information of the member, even for Chokpot also 2 government LP schools have been sanctioned under this scheme, sir.